Hi friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to motion track objects in DaVinci Resolve. So I have a short clip here that shows a ball moving and I want to get track the motion of the ball. So all we have to do is go to our Fusion tab here at the bottom, highlight media in 1, press Ctrl Enter or Shift Enter, type in tracker, and that brings up the tracking UI. So here, we have our ball. Let's move towards the end of the path to make things a bit easier. So we move the box. You click on this small box, and this lets you move the tracking point. It shows your tracking area as well here at the outer bounds with the dashed lines. Let's say there. Okay, I'm sure that should be good for now. Now we can click on, since we're starting at the end of the path, let's click on track reverse. There we go. Seems pretty accurate. There. So we can see it made a few errors though, but that should be no issue. We can easily correct this by simply dragging these lines to straighten it out. Like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. There. Make sure nothing is highlighted over here in the node graph. Let's put in some text. Then let's say score. And let's turn this red so we get to see it pretty easily. Now, we can't see it right now, but all we have to do is go here, go to operation. Within operation, click on match move. There we go. Now go back to our text. Let's go to layout, and here we can adjust the center of where we want the text to be. So now let's play this forward. Score follows the ball. So if we go back to our timeline where it's stabilized, there you go. So that's how to motion track objects in DaVinci Resolve. I hope you learned something new and thank you for watching.